Digital mixers might look complex, but they're designed to help you, not confuse you. All the basics you know, faders, EQ, and sends are still here, just more powerful and flexible. Once you get comfortable, you'll wonder how you ever mixed without these features. So take a breath. Your digital mixer is your creative partner. Let's dive in and unlock its potential. What makes a mixer digital? It all comes down to how your audio is handled inside the mixer. In an analog mixer, sound stays as electricity. It's a direct physical signal. In a digital mixer, your audio is instantly turned into digital data, ones and zeros, so the mixer can process it with powerful tools. The result? More flexibility, more features, and total recall of your settings at the push of a button. Digital mixers often advertise many channels, but you might notice fewer physical faders. Layers solve this by letting you switch between different sets of controls. Control more channels with the same faders, expanding your mixing capabilities without needing a larger setup. Organize your most used channels, lead vocal, kick, snare, on your main layer for quick access. Create custom layers for drums, backing vocals, or effects returns. Be deliberate and consistent. Double-check your current layer before making adjustments. Use visual indicators to stay oriented. With Smart Layer Management, handle complex mixes on a compact console. Layers offer speed and precise control. Master them, and you'll never feel overwhelmed. Now let's discuss saving your work. One of the biggest advantages of digital mixers is the ability to save and recall scenes. A scene is a snapshot of every setting, faders, EQ, routing, at a moment in time. Mixing multiple bands, save a scene for each, and recall them instantly during changeovers. In theater, use scenes for different songs or cues, even automate smooth transitions. Scenes are like having extra hands, letting you manage complex changes with a button press. Use Recall Safe to protect key settings. Like the master fader, when loading new scenes, always save your current mix before loading another just in case. With a little care, scenes become your secret weapon for fast, consistent mixes. Scenes save time and stress, use them wisely. Next, let's talk about routing. Forget patch bays and tangled cables. Digital mixers handle routing internally. Use the routing screen to assign any physical input to any channel, and send channels to any output. Want your drum mics next to each other on the faders, even if they're plugged in all over the stage? No problem. Route channels to effects, returns, or recording devices with a few clicks. Virtual patching is fast, flexible, and eliminates hardware headaches. Organize your mix exactly how you want, without being limited by physical connections. Digital routing gives you total freedom. Buses and matrices are the backbone of advanced mixing. Buses combine multiple channels, like your main mix or monitor sends. Aux buses create custom monitor mixes for each performer. Groups control the volume of several channels with one fader, perfect for drums or backing vocals. DCAs and VCAs let you remotely control fader groups without rerouting audio. Matrices mix your buses together for custom outputs, like lobby speakers or live streams. Buses mix channels. Matrices mix buses. Master buses and matrices, and you'll handle any mix with ease. Let's cover some common mistakes to avoid. Every beginner makes mistakes. Here's how to dodge the big ones. Getting lost in layers? Always select your channel and check the layer indicator. Accidentally overwriting scenes? Save often and use clear names for each version. Confusing gain and fader levels? Set preamp gain first, then use the fader for mixing. Don't ignore the built-in tools. EQs, compressors, effects. Explore them outside of showtime. Practice in a low-pressure setting, try every menu, and watch tutorials. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll become. With good habits, you'll avoid most pitfalls. Keep exploring, and you'll keep improving. Ready for the next step? Let's wrap up your digital mixing journey. You've learned the core concepts: digital signal flow, layers, scenes, routing, buses, and matrices. These features give you more control and creativity. There's always more to learn: personal monitor systems, plugins, networking, and multi-track recording. As you master the basics, dive into these advanced tools. Step up with confidence, get your gain right, organize your layers, build your mix, and save your scene. The world of professional digital audio is now open to you. Go make something sound great.